How to use the online order form. Step 1. Have the coordinator or supporter log onto their account at fundraising.purdys.com. Step 2. On the dashboard, click the Shop Online button at the top. Within the Shop Online page, they will be able to select Use Online Order Form. Step 4. Once you arrive at the order form, you need to click on Add Order to continue a new order. The customer will need to fill in the first name, last name, and phone number. The system will not allow the customer to save the order without these fields filled in. There is also an additional info box. Please include the name of the person you are supporting to link your order to them. Step 5. The customer should go one by one and fill in the quantity of each item they would like to buy. Once they move to another item box, the subtotal will be calculated at the bottom, along with the shipping, tax, and total. Step 6. Customers have the option to save the order and come back to pay for it later, or they can click on Proceed to Checkout.